Alright, these are just a couple of examples of some of the ones that I've made. As you can see, the bottom half and the separate half are two separate individual pieces joined together with snaps. The bottom half would have to be on top of the under half, so when you pull it under the knot it still looks proper. And I would like to have these snaps replaced with actual buttons, where the buttons will be sewed to the back piece and they will come through the front piece on the sides like this, so that it can fold in the middle where the knot would be, like that for instance. And I'm going to take a short little video and just so you can see me personally, and I'll tie one up, and I'm sure you get the concept already, but it doesn't hurt to show you again. And alright, thank you. Alright, first and foremost, nice to meet you, Mr. Shick. My name is Michael. We're the one that spoke on the phone. I've looked up a couple of pictures of you online. I like to see who I'm talking to, and now you get to actually see what I look like and what I have in mind. This is basically the tie, and as I just showed you a second ago, they're basically just snap off. What I want to do is, like I said, I want to replace these snaps with actual buttons so that they're a little bit more sturdy and they'll last a bit longer, I think. And let me just tie it once to show you basically how this thing works. I mean, I'm sure you've pretty much figured it out already, but basically you tie the tie. Your other concept is basically the exact same thing, minus the fact that it doesn't split into two pieces so that you can make your ties work together. Excuse my outfit, I'm not wearing a dress shirt or anything, but as you can see, you know, the tie and the rest of the knot are two separate individual pieces. And what I'm looking to try to do, if we can do this, is I would like to possibly maybe reinforce the tie, if it's possible, with a couple of extra bar tacks down it, just to kind of make the tie sturdier and make it last a little bit longer. We want to kind of focus on quality. We can't do a very expensive addition for our first run. Later on down the line, I definitely want to come out with a very expensive line of ties, but I do want to have them made here as we're discussing, and I want them to be pretty well built. I think that the tie will be a little bit sturdier because it's split into two pieces, so there's not such a fragile flexibility that's needed. So hopefully when the tie is severed in half and cut back and sewn back together, if you will, or joined back together with the fasteners, hopefully we can kind of reinforce the tie a little bit to make them last a little bit longer. So hopefully this video helps out a little bit, and you get to see me for the first time, and I hope we can make some magic happen, my friend. Thank you so much.